I'm going to the Scottish Music Awards tomorrow, so I feel like today is going to be a prep day, although I'm starting with a bit of a nightmare. Anyway, so because today is a prep day, I think I'm going to put on a little bit of colour. This is the Tonologist Sun-Kissed Glow, and this is like a fair to medium. I don't actually know what I'm going to be wearing, but I feel like if I tan, I'll be somewhat prepared for anything. But I have the issue. I put a little bit of skincare on last night, and I may have gone a little bit overboard because, yeah, my skin's a little bit dry now. So I'm going to use the Oat Cleansing Balm from the Ink List and trying to exfoliate a bit and then just really go in on the moisturiser today. I need to find something to wear, which is really stressing me out, but first off, tea. This morning is not going as planned. I feel like I'm having an absolute breakdown. So this is cup of tea number 2. I am just so unbelievably stressed. I have so much work to do. Blocking he's been good. He has been good, but he's also being a little bit difficult. I just have so much to do and I'm really stressed. So this is the reality. I have just had a big crying meltdown phone call FaceTime because everything's just getting on top of me, but okay. The sun is now out. I still haven't moved actually, and my skin is still dry. So I'm going to put some more moisturizer on in a minute. What was I going to say? Oh yeah, I think you can tell when I'm super stressed because my cortisol levels, and I know that it's like a buzzword at the moment, but this, like, I'm puffy. Girl is puffy. It's just stress, water retention, whatever, I don't know. So I'm on my way to Glasgow. I'm in Dundee at the moment and I'm in Tesco, and their Christmas clothing is so nice. They also have 25% off, which I'm gonna have to come back and look at this. Anyway, look at my skin. We're looking more moisturized. So for the past 24 hours, oh my goodness, I've been using my absolute holy grail, which is the pen thing. So it's like nappy cream that I'm putting on my face, but this is the most moisturizing thing that I have, I can use, and I love it. I'm also just going to tell you that I have not taken a single outfit with me tonight. So I really need to go shopping. And if you think I'm looking a little bit worse for wear at the moment, I do have a hair mask in preparation for tonight. So I'm in Glasgow now. I've just bought a dress. I'm really hoping this is the dress, but at least I have a dress. So the dress that I bought is a dress from Zara. It is not the dress. I know it's not the dress, but it is a dress, and I think I could make it a dress. It's just a black and silver kind of mini dress, long sleeves. I know with the weather that I'd be warm enough if I wear heels and tights, but it's not the dress that I'm hoping for, but at least I have something. The plan was for us to get ready together, but I've been in such a crazy rush, so this is the outfit. I will show you properly. So this is the outfit. It is a dress from Zara. The heels are H&M, they're from last year. Some tights and an older Rhiannon bag, and oh my goodness.
So many times I wake up crying in the shadow of the night. Amazing artwork over in the kind of foyer area over there. A couple of people have been asking how they can buy it. Singing the song, singing this is the life. And you wake up in the morning and you have a twice the size. Where you're gonna go, where you're gonna go, where you're gonna sleep tonight. Be okay. You're my brother. And I wish we had to, like we both imagined. 'Cause